Welcome to EMA'S Wellness Garden. Let's boost your immunity naturally with elderberries. Sambucus nigrale is a black elderberry are one of best to use when making tinctures and elixirs and syrup. This tutorial is about preparing tinctures step by step. You can also add ginger and cayenne pepper to your tincture. This will add extra benefits. Dried elderberry can be used and also fresh elderberry. Make sure the fresh berries are ripe. Fresh elderberries add an extra punch to smoothies and teas, great for making homemade wines and syrup for waffles and pancakes. Add elderberry and make smoothies. Add cup of ice cubes, blend. Add strawberry, add pineapple. Sweeten with fresh dates. Add almond or oat milk, 1 cup. Enjoy! Add chia seeds for extra health benefit. Flax seeds can be added also. There are many health benefits using elderberry. Elderberry has been around for thousands of years. Elderberry is used for making syrup, homemade wine. Elderberry is an antioxidant and used in cold and flu seasons. 1 cup of elderberry contains 10 grams of fiber and equals up to 36 of daily maintenance recommended amount for the body. Elderberry has high levels of vitamin C. Orange juice and elderberry are great combinations for that extra boost of vitamin C. Elderberry tinctures and syrup helps rid mucus and inflammation. Children with colds and sniffing running noses use elderberry syrup, helps control coughs. Elderberry can prove to be of great importance for immune health, especially for seniors. During each day, there are many germs floating everywhere. We have to be protective by wearing warm clothing in the winter months or in the rainy seasons. Elderberry viruses, people with cold and flu. Sanitary tips for elderly and children: use Lysol spray, sanitizer, stay away from germs as often as possible. Take multivitamins, moringa capsules, vitamin C. Health awareness is important. Wearing your mask in public places where there are lots of people, traffic. Wearing your mask will assist you in avoiding sneezes and coughs from others. Preparing elderberry tincture. Here are a few steps. Preparation begins with 4 ounces or more of dried or fresh elderberries. Use a 24-ounce or 32-ounce glass jar with top. Make sure you have amber-colored or dark jars for storing. Pour 2 cups of dried elderberries in glass jar. Cover the elderberries with liquor of choice, vodka, liqueur, brandy, or cognac. Close jar and shake well. Store in dark cabinet or dark place for 6 weeks. Shake well every other day. After 6 weeks, strain into a clean bottle for use. We thank you for watching. In our next episode, we will explore the benefits of the moringa tree, how it's harvested and preparation for use. Here is a brief snippet. Moringa is known as the miracle tree. People harvesting moringa from countries in India, Africa. We will learn benefits. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Add your ideas. We will locate the new herbs to explore. Use elderberry smoothie for vitality, a healthy morning routine.